Hello friends, in this video we will look at how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a software or a tool which helps you to generate any type of text or program in any language, text in English that looks like a real life thing that has been written by a human being. How to use it? It is very simple. Just type beta.openai in the address bar, and when you click on this you will get this link over here. Just click on this and the interface will open. In this, make sure that you have clicked on the playground tab, and as you can, this will require a Google login, so you can use your regular Google account to log in. Now if I write here here you have to give the topic on which you want it to write. So suppose I say essay on student life and I click submit. It will take a fraction of second and it is going to generate a human like text. So as we can read here, student life is a crucial part in everyone's life. It is the time when we learn and grow as individuals and lay the foundation. You can see it is grammatically correct and it is generating quite good quality of text for us. So it can write on any topic that we want, and here we can set the limit. That means how much length we want, how many words we want it to write for us. And similarly I will show you it can write programs also. So write a program in Prolog. It is a logic programming language to make a calculator. Basic, right here, basic calculator. And when I click on submit, it is going to, okay, it is continuing with the previous essay, and here is the program for the basic calculator in Prolog. So this is the simple basic calculator for us. And similarly, if I want, I can change the topic. Okay. So suppose now I want it to write something else for me. So I will show you one very interesting thing. If I say here, okay, I will just change the prompt for us. So I write a network programming. Okay, write a C program for network programming, and I say submit. Okay, wait just a second. I just needed to clear the screen. So as we can see here, it is generating the network program in C language. So it is doing the programming for us and it is doing it pretty fast. So you can write anything, any topic, and it will make a program. It made a program in Prolog, it made a program in C language. So both the things were possible. Now another thing that we can do with this OpenAI is there is a DAL-E OpenAI which will generate pictures in the similar way like the ChatGPT is generating the drawings, text. So when we will log in into it, again we need to log in using a Google account. Let me just log in. Okay, you just have to write DALLE and then OpenAI, and Google will give you this particular web page. Now here you write the image that you want to generate. So suppose I want to generate girl in rain, and I generate it, it is going to generate the images for me. This is taking some time. This is the timeline this much time it will require to generate the images. In the meantime, it is just displaying some random images which were already generated on people's request. So now it will give you the girl in the rain. Okay, so here are the results for girl in rain. And now if I say hamburger with ice man, suppose this is the image that I want to generate. So when I click on generate, it will again take some time. So it is taking the time to generate for us. And here we are. Okay, it has generated hamburger only. Okay, let me just add here, draw a hamburger with Iceman. I think I should have written snowman instead of Iceman. Let us see what it is going to generate. Then we will correct it to snowman. Okay, it has generated a hamburger with ice. So let me just make this snowman. Okay, generate. So when you will write draw, it will give you a image that has been drawn by hand. And if you will just write the image text like I wrote girl in rain, it showed me real pictures. And I will show you that when I wrote draw a girl in rain, then it showed me cartoon type of characters. So that way, if you write draw, it will be hand drawn. If you don't write draw and you just write the tagline, then it will draw accordingly. It will give you a real picture. So it should generate now. The timeline is almost over. I think the site is pretty loaded. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, here we are. Yes, now we have the snowman with the hamburger. So it can draw anything on the earth that you require. So I think this video is useful to you. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.